Hello, today I would like to make a video about something special that I have been working on this video for a while, and this is actually going to be 200th video. And we have reached over 6,000 subscribers. I'm really glad about this, and it's not about anything related to, or it is about IELTS obviously, but I want to thank you so much for your support so far. And before we start, I want to tell you that this video is going to take journey and discipline and the activities what I'm doing currently and the news that I have made and the score breakdown. It's going to be special because I have recently passed an IELTS exam and I got my score, and I recently got the score breakdown today and I was so happy, and I really wanted to share it with you because you my viewers, like family, like a Kish IELTS family, they achieved a lot of things over the years, and I'm really happy. I'm glad about this, and I would like to thank at the end again. So let's get started. So I started journey, and I over the time I start having a discipline. I work hard, and sometimes I skipped a lot of videos, and I really want to be consistent because this is the thing that is much more important than anything. That if you're consistent, you're gonna achieve a lot of things. And a journey was very beautiful. I got a lot of support. Sometimes negative comments you may get, but it's okay that the world is diverse. We have to accept the ups and downs, and we have to experience them as well. And the journey is really great because there is a you in my journey. I should say. And when it comes to the thing that I've been doing, that I'm really happy that recently I taught my student Muhammad Farhan. Maybe he is watching, and I'm really happy that he got his IELTS score and he's preparing to study abroad. And I've been teaching online, and I've been teaching offline for my class as well, and they're really great. They're supporting so much that I'm happy about the process, and I'm glad they're supporting. I'm glad the way they're improving every single day. And I've been running some blogs trying to share as much knowledge as possible. And yeah, I'm busy that I'm getting results, and I'm happy to see the results obviously. And well, I'm trying to post the results. Like, I've been posting on Telegram, and I've been posting somewhere, but I don't post that much. It's all about the journey, that how important it is. And I should mention that when I started the journey, a lot of people doubted. Even I doubted myself, and I hated every single moment doubting myself. But I achieved a lot of things that if you put your mind to it, if you work hard, you can achieve a lot of things, more than you can even imagine that. And another news is I've been running Kish IELTS for a while now, and I have just recently started another channel, Smile Education, which is related to a lot of which is more dedicated to Uzbek audience. That's why it's in Uzbek, and this channel is running really well. I've been posting there every single day, and the thing is, I'm trying to post as much as possible and gain a huge amount of audience in my country as well. That's why I'm a bit busy, but I promise you to post at least 3 times a week in the Kish IELTS channel as well, but every single day in the Smile Education. And that's what I've been busy with. And yeah, I should say that you can get your score breakdown from British Council. Currently, I have applied there. And I've been waiting for a while. They've told me that I could get an answer within a month, and I recently got my score breakdown, and I want to share it with you because you play an important role in my life. Every single subscriber, I really appreciate it. Every time you watch it, I can't tell how happy I am even. So score breakdown, full name is Azam Kamal, that's me, and I applied. My test date was October 21, 2023, and the test center and candidate number, you can see that I don't hide anything. And here I found from listening to 39, I think there was a spelling mistake because when I was living, I knew that I made one mistake at least. That's why that was 39. Basically, I got 9 from listening. And when it comes to reading, that was really difficult for me. Like the last part, like vocabulary, I knew that my vocabulary was weak. So when I wrote the answers, I knew that I guessed only 4 answers. That 4 of them were incorrect. Like at the end, like grammar, I could do it, but when it comes to vocabulary, I couldn't do anything actually. So that's why I have to work on my vocabulary. So I got 8 from reading, but unfortunately with writing, I don't know, some problem occurred, and my task accuracy was 6, coherence 6, and lexical research 7, grammar 7. So that's basically what I got. And from task 1, when it comes to task 2, my task response was 6 because I knew that I was off topic. I didn't know actually, but when I left and I read it again, I found out that I was on the wrong track. So I wrote off topic. So, but cohesion gladly 7, lexical research 7, grammar 7. As you can see, my grammar and vocabulary is 7, and in both sections. So my writing was unfortunately 6.5, and I think I can improve it easily, but I didn't apply or rewrite my task writing. Anyway, so when it comes to speaking, I'm glad that fluency was 8, lexical resource was 7, grammar was 7, and pronunciation is 8. So that's how they score you basically. If you applied with the Bridge Console, you can see your score breakdown. They explain it every single detail. I didn't show you the email, but that's basically it is. So I'm not hiding anything, just that the score. So speaking, you can guess that was 7.5 again. Anyway, so at the end I want to mention again that how happy and how glad I am that I have chosen to open this channel, and I'm really happy that. So you know, I've been trying hard. I've been trying to share as much possible, and if I know something, I'll try to tell my audience as well, because I want them to achieve. I want them the best for them, and now I want to read this one. Whatever you are, be a good one. Abraham Lincoln. That makes sense. That I may not be the best one. I'm not even a good one, but I'm trying. That's the most important. That I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to be helpful. That's very important, because like you have to be somebody who you want it to be. That I am not from an English background, but I'm trying as much as possible, because I really enjoy English. I really enjoy the English language. I really enjoy all the language. I love to learn the cultures and travels, and I am so glad that I have a huge I can say huge maybe, because you know I have 6,000 subscribers. I have a huge audience from abroad, including my country as well. And thanks so much for your support, by the way. That you are all awesome. I hope you can achieve all your goals, and that's all about it I want to share today. And I can't even describe how happy I am. That's the 200th video. We made it. And I try to be consistent, as I said. I try to push. If I don't, please write in the comments, because if you don't encourage, who can encourage? I don't know even. That I'm glad that I have you guys to support me. We have one family, your child's family. Thanks so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.